Good morning guys, in front of me is MOTOROLA Moto G86 Power, and let me show you how to change wallpaper. So at first, open the settings, then find and select Personalize. Here click on Wallpaper, and now choose which folder you wish to select your wallpaper from. You can go with your own photos, dynamic wallpapers, curated images, whatever you prefer. Let me choose, for example, this one. Now you can see how it looks on both home and lock screen. You can customize it if you wish, and then mark set wallpaper. Finally decide if it's for your home screen only, just your lock screen, or both of them. Let me pick both. And that's it, that will be all. So, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.